What's up guys, Joey here of YugaTech, and McDonald's is bringing a taste of Japan into the Philippines with their new Sakura lineup. And today we're checking out one half of the lineup, which is of course the Ebi Burger. So in this video, we're going to see if it can actually replace and hold up to my daily driver, which is the crispy chicken sandwich. But of course, before we get to that, let's take this thing out of the box. Or should I say, out of the wrapper. So opening it up, we have, of course, the Ebi Burger itself. For specs, you got the black and white sesame bud. You get a little bit of lettuce and some sweet sauce. You have an Ebi patty. Checking out our accessories, we have nori fries. So this is like shake fries with a seaweed flavored powder. You get that? So far, first impressions, the powder has some nice consistency. So we've checked out some shake stuff before, but we have to see how this one performs. It's definitely very shaky, although I will say this bag we have is damaged. There's already some powder on the table, even if the bag is completely sealed. So let's shake even more. We'll reveal our contents. There we go. It's very shaky indeed. Next up, if the Samsung Galaxy S10 is paired with the Galaxy Buds, the McDonald's Sakura Ebi Burger, aside from the nori fries, it's paired with our Sakura float, which we will try right now. So it's a strawberry float with vanilla ice cream on top. I'm sorry, the ice cream is melted because it's hot here in the Philippines. So wait, how am I gonna drink it? I don't have a straw. That's because, kids, care for the environment, use a metal straw. So I'm going to It has a strong, like, artificial strawberry flavor, which is kind of like a pochi candy. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see how this thing is. Small bite. That's pretty good. As you can see inside, there's real shrimp in the patty. But wait. Let's see how it complements with the nori fries. I'm not a big fan of the nori fries, but they do go well with the burger. That's a pretty good meal. But first, wait, I need to see if it compares to my daily driver, the crispy chicken sandwich. So I'm gonna take another bite of the Ebi. Okay, you know what, guys? That the Ebi Burger is legit. This is gonna be my new daily driver from now on. It's got great specs. It's got a great design. See that slim bezels. USB Type-C. So that's it for this video, guys. By the way, we are not sponsored by McDonald's in any way. So if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like. Subscribe to our channel for more content. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest food news and reviews. This has been Joey. This has been the McDonald's Ebi Burger, and I'll see you in the next one. And cut.